It is not so much difficult to grow a pomegranate tree, you just need a right method or guidance to grow it. Pomegranate is the only fruiting plant that gives you juicy pomegranates in only 1 to 2 years. Yes, you can get your first harvest in only 1 to 2 years. Therefore in this video I am going to show you the best and the most easiest method to grow the pomegranate plant. So hello everyone. This is our gardening channel for plants health and care. If you are also interested in plants, just hit the red subscribe button to get the hot gardening videos. Let's start to our topic. Pomegranate plant can be grown from seed as well as from cutting, but I am going to grow it from the air layering technique. Because the air layering is the most easiest method to propagate your pomegranate tree. The first thing that you need is a healthy pomegranate tree. You can choose any variety of pomegranate, just make sure the plant is healthy and strong. Now you have to choose a branch, where you make a cut for air layering. Always choose a thick branch with minimum a pencil size of thickness. Take a sharp cutter to remove the upper layer of the branch. Before using any cutter, make sure it is disinfected. You can use any disinfective solution to clean your cutters. I am adding a video in the description and I button that you can check out for the disinfection of your tools. As you can see, I have removed the upper green colored layer. Now we can see the white part of the branch, that is basically a wood. Make the same cut as on the screen. Now we have to make a good quality soil mix for the air layering. The best media for air layering of any plant is the cocoa peat and sand in equal amounts. Moist the soil and press it with your hand to remove the extra amount of moisture. Take a polythene and tie it around the stem of pomegranate plant, and fill it with the soil. Now we have to tie up this polythene tightly with any string. Leave this pomegranate plant for about 2 months. Don't disturb the plant in these 2 months, let it grow as its own. As you can see now, the pomegranate plant have grown these white roots and it is the time to cut out this branch from the tree. Let it soak in the water for 10 to 20 minutes so the roots can absorb water. Prepare a pot where you need to shift this plant. You can use any type of well-draining soil mix. Follow the mix of these ingredients. Remove the polythene carefully, don't disturb the roots. Put it in the pot and add more soil. Press the soil tightly to give support to your plant. Now you can place this pomegranate plant in a shady area for 4 to 5 days. For the faster recovery of the plant, you can remove the leaves. It helps the pomegranate plant to recover itself from the transplant shock. After some days, when the plant starts to produce new leaves, you can place it in a direct sunlight. So this is the whole method of growing a pomegranate tree from the air layering technique. Hope so this video helps you to grow your pomegranate plant. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get my next videos.